Ang buhay ng Patan ay masayang tunay, masayang tunay, masayang tunay. Ang buhay ng Patan ay... Hoy everybody, I almost forgot to do my intro. For those who's new to my channel, my name is Kay Tuero. I saved ₱1,000,000, quit my job to pursue my dream to travel as many countries as I can. So join me on my heartwarming adventures to explore the world as a solo traveler. And without further ado, let's go! Hey everybody, so it's a Friday here in Swabi, so everyone just got back from the masjid, and this is like the daily lives here. But when it's Friday, so like after the prayer, just gonna have lunch. Then after this, we'll be heading to fishing. So let me take you there today. So let's go. Hey everybody, so we have finished the lunch and we just need a few more minutes and we're gonna go ahead to the river and we're gonna go fishing today. So we were not able to go yesterday. We're supposed to go fishing yesterday, but Mukhtar told me that there are some Islamic program happening there, so we were not able to do it. So for today, we're going to be doing it, but we're just looking for a generator because we need it for the electricity something. I don't know, but I don't know how to explain it. The one that where you need the electricity and then kuryente the isda, something like that. So I'm going to see you there. You want to say hi? See? This is like the everyday case here. Like when the moment you woke up, the moment we started eating, so we're going to have a lot of visitors. I think this is like a tradition here or a culture that they always visit the guest. So it has been a crazy day for me. A lot of learnings as well, a lot of things happening. I hope that I'll be able to come up with a good vlog. So that's gonna be all. So let's see. So everybody, we are finally heading. So everybody, So everybody, we are finally heading to the river. We're gonna go ahead and catch some fish. So after like an hour of looking for a generator, we finally found one. And here it is. Tapos maka-asyong, maka-outfit siya. Akala mo si asyong siya. Buisit. So I'm gonna see you there, guys. And they gave us sibuyas and kamatis because he requested for it. Because I want to put it like inside the fish. You know what we do in the Philippines? Like you put salt, pepper, and then the Mukcha, wag ka man maghinto sa araw, Bumbak man. The sun. It's so hot. Hilig niya maghinto sa araw, oy. Kaya yung sombrero ko. Ito na naman si Assalamualaikum. Gamit na gamit yung Assalamualaikum ko dito, oy. Ay, Ektisham! Oh, ayun, ready na kami. Everything, we're preparing everything. We're finally heading to the river. I'm so excited. I want to see like what's there. I want to see like what's gonna happen there. Okay, let's do it. It's so hot. I'm gonna be so dark na after this. Si Mukcha, ang daming step over, day. Kada pinto, may may mga 10 minutes stop. So expected na yan everyday. So mga after, bago kayo makarating sa pupuntahan talaga, it will take an hour. Ayun na, finally makaalis din kami. Usually it's gonna take like, I don't know. Jace, thank you for choosing this. I am finally able to use it. Ayan. Huwag ka man mag-shout-shout, oy! Puro kapag siya-shout-shout, tara dito. Puro siya pag siya-shout-shout. Ano? Hello, Assalamualaikum. Wait. Ayaw na yan. Assalamualaikum. Ha? Good. You also go Dubai? Ay, ayaw ba? Help Abu. Mabuti. Enjoying Pakistan. Sorry?
Dito.
Dito? Yes, dito. Si Mukchar, ang daing pahinto talaga. Ah, ano ba? Anak ni Mukchar, si Anas. Ayaw niya na humiwalay sa akin. Uy. No, it's okay, it's okay. Ayaw niya na maghiwalay sa akin. Lagi na siya nakadikit. Pagising man yan takbo sa akin. After ng school, magtakbo man siya sa akin. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Gigigil ako kay Mukchar. Ang daming hinto sa arawan. Tara na, Mukchar, ang ingat. Nagali. Okay. So, we are going to... Wait nga, kais ba siya? Ayan. Ayan. Sabi ko sa inyo, kada hinto, salamalaikum kami. Okay, well, finally. Uy, yung gwapo mo yung nasa likod ko. Mukchar, baba mo na ako dito. Iwanan mo ako sa gwapo. Nagpababa. Gusto mo yun? Nagpapababa ako. Gusto ko yan.
Not fall down.
Pindaw na gua di bisa gua mama और किसी जंगल है
हाँ
जंगल है
Assalamualaikum. Sige, chale.
Ay, Diyos ko talaga. Si Mukchar, puro kami paghihinto. Panginoon ko, patawarin.
Hindi na maturiya, no? Kapag mga kutle.
Hindi na kami makakaalis. Sabi ko sa inyo abutin kami ng 1 hour Unang kanto pa lang to ha. Assalamualaikum. I'm good, Shukriya. Take care, Acha. Salam. Good. Singgay. Acha, take care. Aywa. Nako, si Mukchar, hindi na kami nakaalis. Eto na, may another Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
Pwede, muzo falta.
Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi na kami makakaalis Sana nag-meet and greet na lang kami dito. Diba? Naglakad na lang kami. Para nakausap ko pa sila. Hindi kami nasa katakbo. Sa inita, nakakaloka. Bye-bye. Apes. So everybody, we were finally able to start the journey. He told me that it's gonna be 30 minutes. So, ang sakit man sa puwet mag-angkas-angkas. Uy! Wala nga, pinagdadaanan namin. Gubat-gubat man to. Nasa sayhay. Ay! Mukchar, talaga? Pinagagagawa mo sa akin. Uy, grabe man yung daan dito. Uy, Diyos ko, day. Tignan mo man. Diyos ko po. Pag dumulas yung gulong namin, day, ay. NMC hospital to. Diyos ko po. Balit na balot ako, di ba? Takot umitan. Alam niyo yan, mga Pinoy. Diyos ko po. Uy, look at the mountain, everybody. Ay, mag-mountain nature tripping tayo for today's video. Hoy, tingnan mo man yung daan. Oh, ay! Diyos ko. Nanginig na yung utak ko, girl. Diyos ko, my brain is vibrating. Ha, diba? Diyos ko, dahil naalog-alog na utak ko dito. Kaya na pa kami nagja-jumping. O, dala mo, ay, Diyos ko, dahil, oy. Patan, ano ba? There's no other way to go there?
No.
Diyos ko, you will go back here again?
We have other way. But there can go only a tractor.
Ano?
You know tractor?
Tractor?
Tractor. Only it can go that.
Okay.
That's very
hard. Okay, let's go. Taroy, kasama ka pala. Ikaw talaga, hindi ka papatalo. Oo, sasama ka din talaga. Look where they, I cannot. Look where they're drinking the water. There. Like drinking water talaga ha. Kita ba? Saan ba? Asan siya? Yeah.
Mayan pa Kimdi.
Diyos ko, may isda. Tapos natural water.
Fish.
Ay, tumatalon pa yung isda. Tapos diyan ka iinom. Ay, Panginoon ko. Diyos ko, dayo. Tara mo, nag-inom sila doon. Tignan mo ha. They're drinking the water from there.
This is medicine, this water.
Medicine?
Yes.
Hi. Okay, good. O, drink. Go show the world that you're drinking the natural water. Dali mo na mag-drink. Drink ka na ay. Taray. Tapos may fish man. It's okay, it's okay.
Come down.
No, it's okay. I can zoom.
Eat you.
Uy, tignan nyo. Oh, yung pinag-iinuman, may mga botete. Okay, go.
This fish is eating that.
Oh, janitor fish. So yung fish na yun daw, The fish there, they said that they don't remove it because it helps clean the water. Go. Linisin nyo yan. Dito lang ako. Uy, tignan nyo man yung daan. O, diba? Pucha. Ay! Everybody, I'm sorry if my video is vibrating because I'm vibrating too. Nakakaloka. Oh, see, everybody look. Ay, ang ganda. Gusto ko yung mga ganito. I really like this kind of place, everybody. You know, if you live in Dubai for 5 years and you see things like this, you would understand why do I react this way. Even if I live in the Philippines like almost half of my life. But just imagine living in Dubai for 5 years. Yeah, it's beautiful, like the buildings are beautiful, it's luxurious, everything is convenient. But yeah, everything is big, the buildings, the lights, the city lights, the nightlife and everything. But still, you know, when you grew up in the Philippines, I think you would still choose nature. And this is nature, like real nature, everybody. This is Pakistan. Hoy, we have arrived! Hala, gusto ko tong mga ganito. Ito ang mga kinasasaya ko sa buhay. This is what I really like, everybody. This kind of things makes me really feel good about life and everything. Ay, mag-assalamualaikum pala tayo. Wait lang. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Don't stand, I will come. Salam. Because here, like whenever you greet someone, they stand, and sometimes they're resting. So just sit. No need. I will come to you. See, I'm learning a lot of things here, everybody. So we're gonna start fishing now. Hey, there's donkey there. I don't know if you can see it, but where is it now? Okay, you go away. Kalas, leave it. Ah,
Goats are there.
I cannot see later. Ah, yeah, the goats. Later, I will take video.
Habaro Joao,
Hey, we're gonna ride the donkey. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. I will ride. I will ride now. Okay, we will ride the donkey. It's my first time. Wait, I'm scared. Wait. Okay, good. Paano ko akyat, Mokjar? Wait, paano? How? Hi! Ang init. Okay. Mokjar, baka bigla man kung tumakbo. Uy! Mag-run. Huwag mo mang takutin yung donkey. Hi, hikip. No need, don't. He press. Patan. I'm enjoying everybody, but also I'm scared. Ay, sinakay, nasa, okay, go, laban na. Mag-move ka little, uy. But, patan slowly lang. Para ano lang, for the vlog lang. Ay. Okay na, ayoko na, stop na. Kalas na. Patan, kalas na, tama na. For the vlog, papatayin yung sarili. Oh, go down na. Wait, Patan, stop the donkey.
There is no break.
Okay, thank you, that's so everybody, okay, that was a nerve-wracking experience. Nerve-wracking! So, that's it. Masaya man, pero katakot din, ah. Ayan na, nagsiset up na kami ng mga electricity for the killing the fishing. Hoy, I like this. Like tawid-tawid the river. Gusto ko itong mga pagganito talaga, promise. Nakaka-outreach, nakaka-adventure.
Go inside the water or you can come from here?
I go the water. Tago na. Ito, gusto na picture pa natin sa vlog, uy. Why we're crossing the river. Oh, diba? River. What?
You know, sometimes,
Pakistan River pala to.
the water, until there, 3 days these people not go outside.
Yeah, of course. Pakistan River.
Another donkey.
Yeah, I know. It's kalas the donkey. I already experienced. Kalas na, I'm scared. Doing like this. Pagkalokohan ako sa buhay talaga, promise.
You want him the boy?
What he will do?
ولي تخرولي
Anasa.
ذات صرت روكا روشة
Yala, go! Sabi si. Pinauwi yung bata. He did not make. Hoy. Ay. Taray. Kala ko isang river lang. Maraming river pala ang i-cross. Kala ko isahan lang.
Come.
Ay, dito daw pala. Nasa, don't do that, ha? Mokchar, translate. Pinagalitan yung bata. Hoy, grabe. Gusto ko itong mga Pamon River natin dito. Ay, Pakistan River. Pakistan River. Diba? Harder than a mile. Magtawid-tawid ka lang dyan. Pag ako nadulas dito, ay, yari man yung camera ko. Wait, i-grip ko man sa hands ko to. Ay, shoot ah. Hay, nag-cross sa river. Ano pa to? Ang daming lumot. Gusto ko tong mga ganito. This is what I like. Hoy, another tawid-tawid sa river. Diba? Napahawak. Nagpapanggap na hindi takot. Pero takot naman talaga ako. Kaya enjoy ko. Bakit ba? Hoy, magdulas tayo dito. Sabi ko sa'yo. Ito na. Okay na. Cross. This is the third one, everybody. Sabi ko sa inyo, adventurous ako eh. Huwag lang yung mga chairlift. Uy. Okay na yung mga ganyan lang. Yung parang baha-baha lang. Kaya rin yung ganyan. Huwag na yung masyadong matataas. Katakot din. Hoy, may ipapakita daw si... Patan, ano ba? May ipapakita daw sa akin si Patan na Jiranda. Oh, let's go. Ay, taray. Di mo kaya sa gubat may nagpapahinga. Assalamualaikum.
You know the people bring his what we eat, the roti. And this the water they will working because not petrol and diesel.
Natural.
Water coming natural. I will show you down. Come here.
Kuya, gusto ko magbabad dito. Taray no.
It's nice stone.
The what?
Stone.
Yeah, this is what I'm telling you. Ay! May paggubat sa loob. May pakweba. Wait, Patan. Ay!
See, this is the...
Hoy, kita ba? Mukhang kita siya. Ayan si, oh, look everybody. Hoy, ano ba? Ang galing. What is this, Patan?
Come here.
This is the roti? Oh.
This putting here. And this is making flour.
Okay.
On this. And this is coming the water, because of the water, this is rounding. From this making this like cloth, and people after making roti from that.
Ay, ang galing.
Yes, and that you roti with eating food, like that. It's making from this.
Okay. Hoy, imagine that.
This is the very old.
Hoy, only in Pakistan, everybody.
Natural thing.
See, the most... Jamale Gaga. The most natural thing you're gonna see in your life. Kasi amazing. Hoy, di ba? Oh my God, na-amaze ako. I love this. Mag-ubo-ubo man ako.
Nana.
Daing balahibo. Balahibo ang tawag doon? Alikabok.
Nana.
Hindi siya alikabok, yung harina.
Nana, may mani.
What is he saying?
Lalu. Huh? Chai. One chai.
Shukriya.
Okay, lalu. May mani.
Para ka nasa sa UK. Like every house you go, they will invite you for a tea. Hoy, kita niyo, did you see that, everybody? The most natural thing I've ever seen in my life. Hoy, may tusok-tusok, Patan. Ayoko ng ganyan. Wait lang. Hoy, tusok-tusok. Wait lang. Dito na lang. Oh.
Same highway.
Same highway. Magtawid na naman kami.
Go from there.
Pang-apat na river na to. Uy.
You're walking here like
Still fire, Patan?
They're starting already.
Napagod na ako. Ay na pala. Okay, I see them from here. Crossing the river again. Let's go it. My God.
Here have
what?
Crabs also.
Ha?
Crabs.
Hoy, magkuha ka ng crabs tapos igata natin.
Very natural crab.
Lambi. Lambi.
Get some crab.
But we're not. This is
tapos,
not coming.
Hoy, lagyan mo ng sitaw tsaka kalabasa. Ay, gata. Tapos siling green yung pangpaksiw. Sarap. Gutom na ako, ha?
If crab see people not coming out.
Okay. Of course, they will hide. Who wants to be dead? Diba? Cactus. Hoy, may cactus na. Saan ba talaga tayo papunta? Ba't may mga cactus na? Disyerto na pala. Kanina 10 minutes ago, I'm happy. But now, no. Charot.
Hello, Sherali.
Sherali! Single ye. Yeah. How do you good?
How are you?
I'm beautiful, thank you. What about you? Johanna, ako sabi mo na, pagod na ako.
Hello.
Di ba? Napagod ko, sabi mo, pagod na ako. Layo na namin sa pinagparkan. Sunog na rin yung labi ko, Alright, so here we are. We have arrived. As you can see, they have started doing the fishing and the generator is there. Hi. Hoy, gusto ko yung mga stone dito. Gusto ko mag-uwi sa Pilipinas. Bing?
Yeah.
Why?
Because putting this and
Okay, let's go. Hoy, ayun na, this is the last tawid. For now. It's okay, it's okay. Actually, that's not okay. Wait. Hoy! Dami nagagana. Daming obstacles. God. Ah, shucks. Hoy, oh my God. I'm certified patan. I can do this na. I'm okay here. Yeah, put it there. Shukriya. Karating din kami. Hoy, everybody, we have arrived. See? Everyone is just trying to catch a fish with the generator. So we're just gonna like electrify them, and then khalas. That's it. Oh, see, they're catching the fish. See, may pa-electricity. Tignan nyo ang aming mga nahuli. Il yata yan, il. Yeah. That's okay. Shukriya.
in the water na front.
Ah. Oh, ayan na. Oh, tingnan nyo ang mga magaganap. So, kapag nalaglag ka dyan, tayo ma-electrify ka. Tik. Hindi mo kaya yung suminga ko. I have accumulated enough dust. See? My allergy is starting. Ayan na, catching the fishing. Hindi mo kaya. So, everybody, as you can see, we are starting. Hoy, kasama dapat ako dyan. Wait lang. O, diba na-set up ko na yung camera ko with remote photography. Kita ba ako? Wait lang. Ito na, kumalma ka. Patan. So, everybody, wait lang. Maghanap dapat ako recording. Ha?
Dive from camera?
Yeah, I'm checking.
Recording from there?
Yeah, I'm checking it now if it's gonna work.
You put my SIM card there.
What? Ngayon mo pa papagawa yan kung kailan nandito na tayo. No na.
Good signal.
It's okay. So everybody, as you can see, we are witnessing once again the Pakistani daily lives and the culture and everything. Patan! Hoy!
Nandito nakakay ka na.
Hoy, ayan na. See, I'm happy to see all of this, really. I'm so happy. Wait, I'll focus it on myself. It's my first time to use my phone, so it's directly connected from the camera to here. They catch the fish? But still eat, huh? There's no big. Hoy, di ba ang happy? Nakakaloka. Gusto ko itong mga ganito. Mga ganap sa buhay talaga. Mag-upo-upo man tayo. Pagod na din ako. Catching the fish. Ginagalingan na ito, Ay! Nahuli yung isda. Ay! Binato. Gagano. Anasa? I-drink water. Mag-drink ka ng water doon. Dali na. Water. Tira mo. Patan. Drink the water na. You, ha? Dali na.
Okay.
Uy, ayan na. Ay, ayan na. Wait lang. Tabi tayo. Palapit na ng palapit yung mga fishing. Si Patan nasa gitna. Wala namang ginagawa doon. Puro pagpapapogi. Hoy, may nagkakagat man sa paa ko. O, ayan na, tabi-tabi. Ay, nahuli yung fish. Di here. Di show it here. Patanong ka makulit, visit ka. Hoy, nakikita nyo ba yan? See? It's so hard to catch a fish. Makikitingin tayo, syempre. Ay. Malabog man nila. So, mamaya may lumabas ditong ahas, no? Takbo talaga ako dahil pag may lumabas na ahas dito. Gusto ko yun yung mga binabato-bato talaga. Yung mga isda. I thought when Patan told me that we're gonna do fishing like this in the Philippines, you know. So here it's electrifying fishing. So everybody, we are changing the place now. Mag-move man kami kasi doon na daw kami, wala na raw fish doon, naubos na. Okay, go laban. Ay, hindi mo kaya ito, nakakaano to, Dora the Explorer. Back! Gusto ko to yung mga ganitong obstacles. Hindi man ako nag-shoes, oy. Dapat, I should have worn my shoes, no? Hoy, ang ganda ng lugar, aminin nyo. So we will cross there, Patan? Okay, crossing the bridge. Okay, go. Okay. See, this is where we're gonna stay now. We're moving here. I'm tired na, pero okay lang. I'm enjoying. But I'm tired. And I'm hungry na. Ano yan? May dala-dala si Patan. Ano kayang dala nito ni Patan? What's that? Can I see? Show here. Yeah, that's tilapia, but it's so small. Huh? Yeah, this one, but it's small. Huy, ang dami na namin na-catch na fish. Look, everybody. Oh, alam mo yan. Ang dami na namin na-catch na fish. Oh, river, harder than ang buhay ng Patan ay masayang tunay. Masayang tunay. Masayang tunay ang buhay ng Patan ay. Okay lang. Parang maling pwesto ko, parang nakakaabala ako dito. Alis nga ako. Hoy everybody, you are seeing the full experience of the Pakistani way of fishing. Hoy, alam mo, okay lang masabihan akong maarte tsaka OA. At least I get to experience this kind of moment in life. Diba? Kasi nagte-type ka dyan, pak, bash dito, bash doon. Hey everybody, I'm enjoying my life. Tak. Hati kayo ni Mayor. Wisit ka, Patan! Ang cute ni Anas. Scared ako. Ang daming eel dito. Ay! Taray, no? Ang galing. Oh, ayan na ha. So, I think we're almost done fishing. We're gonna go back to where we first stopped. Then we're gonna cook there. We're gonna have food and everything. So, let's do this. Ay! Magulat man ako sa'yo. Lintek ka, bata ka. Uy, gusto ko man magbabad-babad dito. Dahil pagod na talaga ako ay. Ang sarap, ang lamig. Wait lang, yung slippers ko. Whew. Mag-enjoy talaga ako mag-isa. Mag-fishing man sila doon, uy. Na-excited na ako magkain ng fish. Sarap. So everybody, this is the reason why I was out of the grid for how many days and weeks. Nag-fishing man kami ng mga friend kong Pakistani. Everybody, you know, I really hope that you're learning a lot watching this video. Because this thing, I've never seen this in social media. So I'm really happy. Hi. And they were all laughing to me because I'm making my video right now. Sabi nila itong baklan to, sarap buhay. Yung habang kami nag-fishing, magkuryente-kuryente, ay siya man nagpapaganda doon, ay. Hoy, ang mistisa ko, aminin nyo yan, yung tuhod ko, ang pink. Kita ba? Oy! Kita sa camera, ang pink ng tuhod ko. Mistisa talaga ako, ay. Tawa ng tawa si Patano. Hoy, sabi ko sa inyo, mistisa ako sa personal. Huy! Kapink man ang tuhod ko. Kita ko siya dito, oh. Kamistisa ko man talaga, ay. Diba? Kaya alam mo, may belief akong ganon, yung whatever you do in your life, as long as you're not, I don't know how to say it, as long as you're not making other people argabyado, you're good to go. Hoy, na-enjoy ko man talaga yung ganito. Kahit 6 months, kahit magkalahating taon ako sa Pakistan, kaya ko to. Okay na ako sa ganito talaga. May ganito rin kami sa Bicol, hoy, sa likod ng kubo ng mama ko. We have like this also. So, magligo-ligo ka man doon. Tapos pagkatapos mong maligo sa ilog, hi! Die! Kulay itim na yung damit mo, pero malamig yung water. So, it's okay. Magtawa-tawa man sila doon, mag-vlog-vlog ako dito, oy. Sabi nila, ayan, gago to ah. Walang tulong, walang ambag, puro pagbablog. Kayo naman. Patan told me, see, everyone come with me. They want to join you. I'm so happy, really. I really like this. So si Anasa, takbo man tong batang to. Anasa! Ay, naligo na siya sa ilog, ay. Talagang batang ito. Hoy, alam mo, while I'm sitting here, you know, I'm not allowed to wash my clothes. I'm not allowed to do anything. Anasa, mag-sit ka dito. I'm not allowed to, literally like I'm not allowed to do anything. Hoy, the kids here, once they know that you will start eating, like all your neighbor will, like, we're gonna go out from your house, and once they know that you're finished eating, they will come back. See how well mannered they are. And the kids here know how to clean the things, ha. Because me, when I was a kid, I don't know how to do it. Somebody is doing that for us. But here, all the kids know how to clean they serve the tea, like, they give you water and everything, like, automatically. I was like, oh my God, that's really good, ha. I told Patan about it. Everybody, I don't know what happened to my lips, but it's burning.
Kari! Karo! No more, no! Assalamualaikum.
See, you know, they're gonna go to the mountain. Like, I don't know, Patan told me like to drink water, to have food, and something like that. And then in the evening time, they will come back here, go down to sleep. I didn't know that they can do that actually. Hey everybody, so we have finally reached the end. So this is the end. But imagine mo, almost, siguro may 1 kilometer man niyang, mga 1.5 man niyang namin, fishing, oy. Nakadalawang plastic kami. Medium size na plastic, ganon. And we're finally done, so we're gonna go ahead again and we're gonna start cooking the fish, ganon. Hey everybody, we have reached the final destination, so we're gonna start the cooking. See where they are cleaning the rice here, diba? So natural. Magtapon-tapon man yan siya, uy. Okay, ganun pala, toka-toka. So, while they are fishing there, someone is cooking here, doing the cutting of the chickens and everything. So, see, ang galing, diba? I like this. The village life is the best one. Walang sinabi, mga city lights na yan. Dito tayo sa Pupu Light. And I'm Pupu. Hi, cutting. So everybody, so this is the spot. So this is where we're gonna be doing all the cooking, the eating, and the gathering. As you can see, like some of them started like fixing the homemade kalan, like the stone, and then they put kahoy there, and they're gonna start firing it. See, everyone is doing anything, and they don't want me to help. Charot. Or maybe I just don't want to help. But see, everyone is like, someone is getting the kahoy there, someone is fixing the kalan, they have finished the chicken, and I don't know if Mokshar cleaned that fish or he's just acting like he was the one who cleaned it. But anyways, I'm so excited like how this night is gonna go. So we're in the middle of the mountain right now. See, Pack 360. Ha! And I'm here. Hoy, nagtulong-tulong man ako kanina, nag-support ako, nag-cheer man ako, kaya natin yan, oy. Okay, judgmental dyan. No, but really, if you're a guest here, they will not let you do anything, even if you insist. No, you're not gonna win. So ayan, nambabaliw lang ako, everybody. Hoy, ang sarap man yung magbilad-bilad kanina doon sa Whitewater. Bilad-bilad, that's wrong. Magbabad-babad. And let's go make some music. Let's turn the music on. Di ba may ambag ako? Nadala akong speaker. Alam mo yan. Di ba? At least may ambag. Hoy, I really like this. A lot of things are happening. Like someone is cooking, someone is like slicing the onions at my back. Someone is preparing the fish here, and the buffaloes are crossing the river. Oh my God, my English is working. But as you can see, like I'll show you, there are people there as well. They're cooking. Oh my God, the buffalo is big. Ay, may nagpupo man siya sa camera. Ano ba yan? Ay, my God, it's pooping. No, I don't like it. Wait, it's done? Okay, kalas. Bugawin mo man, paalisin mo man sila. Dito man sila nagpupo-pupo, oy. Buisit na. Okay, so everybody, we're almost ready. Hindi man nga ready. Mag-hi-hi ka. Nagtingin-tingin man siya. O mag-hi ka. Oh, hi. Nagtingin-tingin man siya. Ibigay ang gusto. See, everybody, I'm gonna walk a little. I was able to take rest. Oh my God, see the fish. Hoy, there are big fishes also, see. See, I'm gonna show you the cooking that's happening here. Eto na, mga paglulutong nagaganap. Oh, see, oh my God, see that's the rice, no? Rice, oh see, only in Pakistan. Anong ginagawa nyo dyan? Nagpapanggap kayong may ginagawa. Hoy, kadadating nyo lang. Ay, the fish. Okay. So they're doing the fish right now, everybody. See? Wey, kala mo talaga siya yung gumawa. Tantala mo ako as per area. Total, nangungulit ka. Kanina ka pa. Puntahan natin. Hoy, pag ako nadulas. Wait, hoy, ito naman dinadaanan ko. Oh, see? Small lang na stone.
Smile, let's just smile.
Ay, nako, kayo may mga paisda rin kayong ang dami na nating isda, sa totoo lang. Uy, yeah, the eel. Hoy, tignan mo yung tilapia. Oh. Hindi yan, wait lang. Tilapia. Proud na proud sa mga panguhuli niya. Yan na mga paganap for today's video. Di ba pag may camera nagbe-behave siya? My God. Sugality ng food. Oy, ayun nga pagganap doon. Gusto ko yung mga camping na yan talaga. I'm really enjoying this day. This is my first time to eat this. First time.
First time. You eating fish?
Fish, yes, but this one first time. Matamis pala to. Il yata to il.
Kawai tasu ba natle uzza da jawal hako man.
Di ba hazal tatla. This is il. No. Good or no?
Tool prayo ka na sa
Good or no? Good.
Wala. Wal.
I don't know the taste. It's my first time to eat eel. It tastes sweet and it tastes something really new. I don't know where that taste is coming from, but kind of like it. Maybe this one is good with rice or suka. Or with calamansi and toyo. Hey everybody, so we are currently here in Swabi, Pakistan. So we went fishing and now we're cooking something. So we have a little gathering, like here in Pakistan they call it like a program or something. So basically we're like around 20 or more than 20 more people around here, and in a bit I think like in half an hour or in an hour the dinner will be ready. So yeah. This is so exciting. I've never I did some camping also in the Philippines, but nothing like this because this is extreme. Like you really have to catch the fish and everything using the generator and something like that. So yeah, I'm happy. Are you happy?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sure.
Thanks.
Okay. Everybody, so we're going to be eating now after 2 hours of cooking. Here we go. We're doing it finally. May mga drinks man, Pepsi. Hi, don't put conditioning. I like the beef, sorry. Ali, tara na. Ali, let's go.
يوم سلوم كيني خير كنا ولا كيو كدي ترى زي كنا
يو كسر زي
Patan, that's good ah. Good.
good da gara kita kasa is gravy for you if you want to mix with it. It's
What gravy?
this chicken gravy.
Okay. Ito in the middle.
No, they're not eating. It's only for you. Make it separate from the first before putting the rice.
Sali. Ali.
सली किना कना
Patan Ali.
Tapos butter steak na.
May bag, because my water is there. Ali, let's go na.
एकदम तक खाई करा
Huh?
और मोए वीडियो ना
Right, Shabash.
डबल और
So, kaya.
This for you.
Na. Look at them. Yara. Yara na.
कसाव तक ये जान बजे है
तुम राजा हाफ जल्दी.
वैसे वो
Sarap.
खुदा इतने को बात
It tastes like this, huh?
Patan, put the sauce na there oh, for everyone.
तब दागा चोई जानता सूर्या कौन तेरे पे चावड़ा चोई ना कहाँ चोई मेजरा
It's good na, check.
ना
Just try.
हरीबू कौन तेरे सूर्या ना
दे प्रोग्राम में तुमने सिर्फ किनो
हाँ जीरो ताकि ना आता शम
हम नो ना बस
हाँ पर
This for us, because I want full.
Ah, okay.
I also want to taste.
it's for Anas awal rasa suka
That's why Anas is always coffee. Because you always give him soft drinks. And where's the beef? It's missing.
बीमार खुश आ लगा
Okay, there. Hi, kalas na. Cricket, guys.
Dari sigaw ka, ginamijam siya.
Ayaw.
how are you
पूरा मजा पर का
Hey everybody, so we were able to finish the lunch, and this is where I'm also going to end this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog for today. It was an amazing day for me. It's like, again, it's a moment to remember, and I can assure you that more vlogs to come. Ay, patan! Daan. Sorry, hindi ko pala nahigpitan. Sorry naman. Wait nga, baka bigla siyang... Okay, damo naman yung babagsakan ko. I thought that's bad naman. No, it's okay. So yeah, again, that's gonna be all for today. I hope that you enjoy watching this vlog, and I'm really tired, but I'm also really happy. So thank you for watching again. This is Kate Reto, and you have a good day. Bye-bye.
garma bani
Dana berapa gizi kan ada?
Pasir tara
Awal kamu betul sih coba. Dah sini sih.
sama थोड़ा ले बसे लो
Udah lu sudah.